The first step is to open Microsoft Excel and click File. In this example, we're using multiple criteria. We only want the total of oranges, cell V16, from Florida, cell W16. Click the cell where you want your result to show. Type in the function equals SUMIFS, and press Tab. With your mouse, select from the first cell containing range you want to use to the last cell. Type in comma. With your mouse, select from the first cell containing the first range to look for matches to the last cell. Type in comma, then, type the criteria for first match. In this case cell V16, which says oranges, then type in another comma. With your mouse, select from the first cell containing second range to look for matches to the last cell. Type in comma, then type in criteria for the second match. In this case cell W16, which says Florida, and then press Enter. That's it. You're done.